So I made some granola, some granola bars. We used to get like giant things of these, but I don't think it was like the yogurt ones. It was like just like the chocolate chip ones or something. Anyways, this is strawberry, and then there's blueberry. I'm probably gonna do two different videos for this, but I think I want the strawberry today. Give me a second. Do 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 do. Don't know why I'm singing. Guess it gives me something to do while you see like the side of my giant ass face. I don't know. Whichever one I grab is one we're gonna try. Is it gonna be blueberry? Is it gonna be strawberry? Oh, it's a strawberry. Okay. That's what it looks like. Size comparison. I don't know why I'm using my forehead to compare it, but we don't wear it by now. Ooh, you got a thick layer of stuff on you, girl. Which I appreciate. Yeah, I haven't tried these ones before. So you have the delicious Quaker oats with that little hint of strawberry, and then so I'm looking at the box. I'm trying to get like the chocolate. Don't inhale the wrong pipe. It's like a white chocolate more than a yogurt thing. Oh, damn good. At least 7 out of 10. I got that at Walmart. Ooh, crunchies. It's good. I like it. I think I would like it more if it was like a if it had like a strawberry yogurt bottom or something. It's good, but it really is like an almost a white chocolate, not white. I don't know. It just feels too decadent. The white part to go like when you taste the strawberry oaty part, you're like, oh, breakfast. But then I taste the bottom part, I'm like, oh, I'm eating fucking dessert here. Like, I don't know. They go really well together, but at the same time, like, it feels so decadent to the point that I feel like I'm eating something I shouldn't for breakfast. Does that make sense? I love that crunch, though. It's very satisfying. But not, like, hard on your teeth. So that's really good. It's very fire, not gonna lie. Here. You got that in Walmart. No, silent for a second because I couldn't remember what I bought it for. I want to say it was under $9. For this pack of 5 blueberry and 5 strawberry. Anyway, yeah, like, comment, subscribe, check out my videos, and bye. You think I said enough that like my brain would work, but this is its own language at this fucking point. I don't know. Okay, bye.